A judge in New York has delayed a decision on how big of a fine Donald Trump will be ordered to pay in a civil fraud case. Judge Arthur Engoron found Trump guilty of fraud last year for inflating the value of his assets on financial documents. The judge had intended to impose a fine by the end of January. Excuse me, but
I will happily take it. Have a sip of water. We're good. Impose a fine by the end of January, but now says the verdict may not come until mid-February. The New York Attorney General's office wants the judge to fine Trump $370 million and also perhaps to ban him from doing business in New York. A lot happening in Trump legal world, right? Because now that March 4th date, that has now been pretty much off the table as we wait for the Supreme Court. They have the ballot issue, the immunity issue, and now there was a story in the Washington Post this morning that said it may be the Manhattan DA,
hush money case,
the hush money porn
maybe the
star
first
case
one
that goes first, which is not the script people thought it was going to be a couple months back.
No, there was actually talk of them pushing that back in favor of Jack Smith's DOJ case. So there's just so many legal battles involving the former president, from the criminal cases to the civil ones we just talked about.
It's complicated, but we're trying to keep an eye on all of it.